people. Hello, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am so excited to be back here today because we have a new thing for our channel, the Dollar Bead Box. The Dollar Bead Box has sent this to me to unbox and to check out, so I'm super excited. I've never had this Dollar Bead Box before. I've never seen it in person. I don't know that I've ever been around the internet and seen it maybe once. I think I saw it a while ago. So I am excited to see what's in there and see what we can maybe do with it. I do have my design on the fly cup in case we feel inspired. I'm having tea tonight. I got my throat tea because it's nighttime. Jake's in the background just being growly pants. Lily's over here, and Bunson's going through the supply closet doing inventory checks. Every shelf. So, this is my design on the fly cup, by the way. Is it not the super cutest? And it says design on the fly in the back in like little label print. I love it. You can get these at my merch store if you want one. I colored this fly myself on the paint shop. Anyways, you guys, I'm super excited to get into this Dollar Bead Box, so let's get down to the mat, get this party started. All right, here we are on the mat, and I'm so excited. I have cut the tape here, but that's all that I have done. I don't know what's going to come popping out of this box. I don't know if there's like papers involved or what, so we're about to find out. Oh, I got to go this way. Whoop, there we go. All right, so we're about to find out about the Dollar Bead Box. So here we go. Oh, there's papers involved. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me see what the dealio is. It says this is your Dollar Bead Box for August. Okay. Looking for extra special values? Don't forget to check out our special deals section in the online shop. You guys, I'm so excited. I've never had this before. It says Czech glass bead mix, multi-strand box, Czech glass Japanese seed bead mixes, bead kits, and much more is available at dollarbeadbox.com. Okay. Keep up with the latest Dollar Bead Club news and information, and here's all their handles. All right. Oh, this is a list of things. I don't want to see the list of things right now, so I'm going to put the list of things over here. So before we get into this, I think this is a separate thing. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know in the comments. Does this bead bag come standard in the box, or is this a separate thing? Okay, because I'm newbie over here, don't know things. So this was there, but now I do know, I think I seen on their website, you can purchase a bag or a box. So perhaps maybe they just sent both. We're about to find out. Ooh, looks like some fire polish. All right, let's see what we got here. So we got some little guys and some bigger guys. Okay. These look like 4s. These look like 3s. Okay. All right, so it says, excuse me, let me get the tea. August 2022 Dollar Bead Bag Czech Fire Polish. 3mm strands. Ooh, I was right. We have matte turquoise, which I can assume is this one. Crystal Sage is this green one probably. Crystal Copper Lined AB must be this one. And Citrine Vitral, I believe is this one. So those are your 3mm. Then it goes on to say 4mm. You have your matte turquoise, which is this one. Your Crystal Sage. Are these all the... Okay. So they're all the same colors except for this one, which is Sapphire Copper Lined Magma. So, there we go. Dollar Bead Bag subscribers can reorder August items through September 2022. So that's what it says. So smashing. That's super wonderful. I love me some fire polish. So that's that. I do like that they are sending like 2 different sizes here of the same color. Well, these 2 at least. And then these guys, I guess, are just your wild card. They kind of go together. I will give them that. They do kind of go together because they got that like magma on one side. I dig it. But this makes it really fun if you want to make like a project of some kind and you're going to need extra or like different sizes of the same bead. So smashing. I enjoy it. Alrighty. So let me know down in the comments if you get this subscription, if this is something extra you order or if this comes with the box. And we are going to move on to the box. Alright. So now back to the box. Okay, it just comes out of there. Perfect. I'll just throw that. We're going to let Bunsen inspect that, see what he's got going on there. Ooh! What is this weird thing? I'm intrigued. Okay. What is this weird thing? Let's just get rid of all that. Okay, let's line them up here, see what we got going on. These all look very fun. Let's see. What is this? Well, it's probably going to tell me on the sheet, right? So let me just line them up. We got one odd man out. I'm going to put him over there. Ooh, these are cool. Some peeps. All right. So let's get the list now and see what we got going on. So we got, it says strands. Okay, we're going to start with strands. 5mm Czech glass lentils, rainbow blue iris, or chartreuse. Let's see, lentils. So I believe that is these guys. I could be wrong. Or chartreuse. Are they calling these lentils? Is that these guys? I think it's these guys. They're like the kind of the Picasso color. I think they're calling these are the lentils. I am not sure. Czech glass drook in light. So drooks. These guys? Are these 4mm? Yes. Fire polish. Okay. Large hole Celtic block. Okay, so there's okay. Start with something we know. So these are large hole Celtic block. This is what these guys are looking like. These are very cool. I really like these a lot. I can definitely use those. Let's put those over here. The bicones. Okay. Oh, so they're confusing me because it says olivine or spearmint green. So they're giving like 2 different colors for things. Okay. So I get it. I get it. So I got the spearmint green, must be the bicones. So I have these. I love a good bicone. They make wonderful earrings. And then we just got the spikes. Those are going to match what came in that bag. So that's cool. Oh, are they supposed to match what go in the bag? Hello, Randy. Okay. Okay. All right. It's coming together now. And we have just like these little guys, these little 4mm, and then these guys. Czech glass, white and beige opal. White and beige opal. That must be this one. Must be. Okay. Anyways, regardless, they're all very cool. Okay, so those are our strands. And then we move on to what it says, additional items. Additional items are Czech glass primrose, matte turquoise with copper wash. Matte turquoise with copper wash. Here we go. That's these. So let's take them out of there and take a look at them. These are very cute. I like these. I'm just going to leave them out. These are very cute. I see where they're going with this whole situation. I like it. Okay, Czech glass cabochons, white with confetti. Okay, that must be these guys. And so these are cabochons. Now, we have been talking about doing some little earrings with the stiffy stuff and doing like some beading around. So maybe this might be kind of cool for that type of project. They are very cool. I like them a lot. I think you could probably, oh, there's more in there. I think you could probably even like set these in like a clay or something. Or put them onto a pendant. So, very cool. I like that they're kind of weird. I'm into that kind of thing. Then we have table cut squares, white, green, dark topaz, and raspberry. Must be this one, right? White, topaz, yeah, it looks like it. And this little guy right here. Very cute. Czech glass leaves. Here we go. So we have seen these leaves before. Well, I've seen them before, not from this company, but I have seen them before. They have like a Picasso and a copper on them. I like that they have the copper. That kind of brings everything around, you know, brings everything kind of together. So those are cute. We get 6 of those. Glass starburst, opaque turquoise, opaque turquoise. This thing. Is this a bead? It is a bead. Where's the top? I have questions. Am I in the wrong bag? Opaque turquoise? Is that these? Yeah, these. Okay, I'm in the wrong thing. I'm like, wait a minute, that doesn't even make sense. So that's these guys. Into little starburst turquoise. Those will be cute for earrings. Glass. Okay, here we go. A half drilled cabochon in speckled green. That's this thing. I was like, wait a minute, what? So it's a half drilled cabochon. I'm not exactly sure. I would probably just use it as a cabochon because I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing with this half drilled business. It's not very deep in there. I mean, I guess you could glue it to something. If you had a wire, you could glue your wire in there and then you could put something on the top of it. Not sure about that. Okay, moving on to the 2-holed pillow rectangles. Pink. Pink, pink, pink. Pillow rectangles. Rectangles? Pillow rectangles. 2 holes. Here we go. This one. This is the one. This one reminds me of candy. I kind of want to eat it. You shouldn't, but I'm just saying it. Like, it reminds me of some kind of candy that I had when I was a kid. Czech glass flowers in lavender. Wait. Pale lavender luster. Is that these? Must be these. Ooh. Okay, we got pale lavender luster. These are cute because they have the 1 hole. And I like that kind of thing for crisscross applesauce business. Crisscross applesauce doings. Love it. White with deep pink wash. Czech glass button beads. With white wash. Must be these ones. I do wish these had numbers on them, but I'm doing my best here. Maybe it'll help me to be better. To be better at knowing things, I guess. These are very cute. Super cute. Got 2 of those. Then we have Czech glass bell flowers. We have 2 pieces, bell flowers. Here we go. Oh, I'm running out of space. Move that up there. Okay, we got bell flowers. Here's what they look like. They're kind of a purplish pink and yellow. Then we have the last item is Twisted Diamonds, which is this one. And these are Czech glass, Czech glass Twisted Diamonds. So that's what we got. Those will probably go good with those flowers. And we got the little cabochons. And then we got this bag of beads over here. I'm just going to take it out and lay it out here with these things because they also sent these. We're going to take a look-see at this. See what we got going on. Alright, so this is the Dollar Bead Box. And do I got it all in the frame? Kinda. There we go. So this is the Dollar Bead Box. So let's see. Something that I really like. I do really like these guys. Now they say they're large hole. And they do have a larger hole than what would a regular size bead be. So I really enjoy those. They're very interesting. I like the texture on them. Love those. I also like these little flowers here. These ones are good for crisscross applesaucing. Love those. Something I could have done without this guy. I mean, he'll probably make a cool project. I don't really understand the like half drilled portion of this, but I don't know. Maybe these are meant to go together. I'm not quite sure about that. But like these guys, I probably could have done without these. There's one of each, and I don't really know, is it supposed to be a focal bead or what? Maybe it's supposed to be a focal bead. But I could have probably done without one of those, or maybe if I had 2 of each, two of the same, that might have been better for me. But I'm more of a stringer, so if this was like maybe somebody was using it for bead weaving or something, they might enjoy that, so I'm not sure. But anyways, this is the Dollar Bead Box, and you can find them at dollarbeadbox.com if you're interested. So this is what they have going.